Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a picture watermark in Microsoft Word to only one page, not the entire document. This video is very useful technique when you want to add a logo, stamp, signature or background image to a specific page such as a cover page, certificate, title page or official document. By default, Microsoft Word applies watermarks to all pages, which can be frustrating. In this video, I will show you simple step-by-step methods to apply picture watermark to just one page while keeping the rest of your document unchanged. So let's get started. We can see here some page, and this document I use menu work. Now I want to add only the second page, adding this watermark. Now you want to add any page, firstly link break the another page. Now I am disconnect the link to this another page. Go to the first page last and go to the layout menu, select the break drop down menu and choose next page, then remove the spacing, then again click the last of the second page and again click break, then click next page, then remove the spacing. Now I am go to the design menu, select this watermark. Now I am select this custom watermark. Here the picture watermark, here inserting picture. Then at first we go to the insert menu and click this header and footer. Now I am double click on the page top. We can see here the page 1 is section 1, page 2 is section 3, 2 or the last page is section 3. Now I am turn off the link to previous page. Click the second page and turn off this link to previous. Then click the third page and turn off to link to previous because I disconnect the page to another. Then click the page and go to this design and select this watermark and choose custom. Then select the picture. Then click select picture option. Now I am click browse. Then select this watermark. And we can see here already added this three pic image. Now I am double click again the section 2. Then click go to the header and footer option and select this picture option. Then select the image and click insert. Click the picture and click wrap text. Then click in front of text. Then select the picture and go to the picture format option. We can see here many options. Now I am change the brightness of the picture. Here the transparency. Now I am make the picture 80% transparent. Then double click on the main page. Then we zoom in this page. We can see here another page not available the watermark, but the specific page we added this watermark very easily and simply. I hope you understand this process. Because the watermark system is not enabled on to watermark, we make this watermark. You can use the header and footer option and make this manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.